Welcome back to Munich and welcome to ChiliRoads. This time we're hunting the best Asian food in the city. And one place that everyone's talking about is Mac's Beef Noodles. You'll find a line, but don't worry, service moves fast. The menu offers a variety of Chinese specialties and hand-pulled noodles. I started with a fresh spinach salad. For the main, of course, I went with the beef noodle soup. Excellent and perfectly balanced. Add a touch of sesame and chili oil for that perfect kick. For a fair price, you get an authentic bowl that instantly takes you back to China. And you can get a free noodle refill. Overall, I'd give Mac's Beef Noodles a 4 out of 5. Highly recommended, though be prepared to wait a little.
Alright, now it's getting exciting. We're in Mun Mun, a Thai restaurant right in the heart of Munich's hip Schwabing district. Super chill vibes here. Lots of outdoor and indoor seating. Inside, it feels like Bangkok with an open kitchen where you can watch the chefs fire up the woks. Of course, we went for the Pad Thai with extra chicken. Chilies come standard, but we added even more heat. Mix it all up with peanuts, lime and greens. Flavor bomb. The dish has a nice sweetness, balanced heat, and the portion size is great. A real top-tier Thai spot.
Food review time, spice level 2 out of 5, but those are real Thai chilies. Solid. Portion size, massive. Easily a 5 out of 5. Taste, straight 5 out of 5. Amazing Thai food. The location is strong and the value for money is insane. $21 for a huge plate. Overall, 5 out of 5. For me, this is the best Thai restaurant in Munich. A must visit. Next up, Uncle Chen. Located right in Munich's trendy Max Vorstadt district. This spot is well known for one thing, their beef noodle soups. To give you the most honest review, I started off with the Sichuan noodle soup. A deep, flavorful broth with fresh noodles, pak choy, coriander, and of course, tender braised beef. Super tasty and packed with authentic flavor. But the real highlight, and honestly the best soup you can find in the entire city, is their signature noodle soup. A rich, creamy broth with hand-pulled noodles, fresh vegetables, coriander, and that same slow braised beef. Incredibly tender and full of flavor. I topped it with a bit of sesame and chili oil, and for the extra kick, I asked for some fresh chopped chilies. Make sure you do the same, it completely takes the dish to another level. The combination of that melt-in-your-mouth beef, the broth and the fresh veggies creates an absolute flavor bomb. It instantly transports you right to China or Taiwan. Every dish here is top-notch, but the signature noodle soup is the one you have to try. If you love bold, authentic flavors, this place is an easy 5 out of 5 from me. We're at Mekong Market, a Vietnamese gem right at Giesing Bahnhof in Munich. The absolute highlight here? The Hue Tio Mi soup. A traditional Vietnamese noodle soup. Totally different from pho. It comes with chicken and scampi, and honestly it might be the best soup you can get in Vietnam. Big portions, incredible flavor. Just make sure to mix everything well, use the lime, and don't skip the chilies for that real kick. The noodles are a perfect mix of rice noodles and long egg noodles, combined with fresh veggies. This bowl hits hard. Great chili selection, red and green Thai chilies. You get a huge tasty bowl for just $10. For anyone on a budget or just craving an epic Asian soup, this is a must. Overall 5 out of 5, check it out. Next stop on ChiliRoads, Kura Thai Imbiss, just around the corner from Munich's main station. This place is an absolute hidden gem if you're into authentic Thai food. We went all in and tried almost everything, from Pad Thai to curry and the Pad Kra Pao. And honestly, the real star of the show is the Pad Kra Pao. Definitely go for the beef and don't forget to ask for extra chili. The flavors are insane, super fresh, perfectly balanced, and it literally melts in your mouth with that smooth Thai basil and chili kick. It honestly feels like a quick trip straight to Thailand. Overall ranking 5 out of 5. If you love authentic Thai food, this spot absolutely needs to be on your Munich list. And we are moving on to Champor, a real hidden gem for authentic Malaysian cuisine for 21 years. We kick things off with one of the highlights, roti with curry dip. Honestly, you won't find a better roti anywhere. Next up, we had the fish starter. Ultra fresh, perfectly cooked, simply delicious. Of course, we couldn't skip a proper Malaysian lamb curry, but the real showstopper is the chili garlic duck. My personal favorite here. The duck is stir-fried with beans, red chili, garlic, shallots and shrimp paste. It's spicy, unique and an unforgettable explosion of flavors for your taste buds. Everything here is top quality. All organic, packed with authentic spice and served in a beautiful location. Overall ranking 5 out of 5. Make sure to check this place out and don't miss this amazing food experience. Subscribe ChiliRoads. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.